Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a crochet scrunchie, which is super simple. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just to start off, I am going to be using this medium weight 4 yarn, and I got this from Premier Yarn. It's really pretty. Also, I'm going to be using tapestry needles to weave in our ends. I'm going to be using my 5mm crochet hook, and also I'm going to be using a hair tie, definitely needed, and then we need scissors. And also this is optional, but if you want you can use a stitch marker. Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and make our slip knot. And then after you make your slip knot and input your hook, you're going to go ahead and take your hair tie. And we're going to start off by making single crochets all around the hair tie. So this is how I do it. Alright, so for round 1, what we're going to go ahead and do is single crochet all the way around the hair tie. It's just simple single crochet. It's not a certain number that I do. It's just enough to cover the whole hair tie. So even at the end, I kind of scrunch the yarn back so that way I can see more of the hair tie, and then I cover that up a little bit, just so that way when you stretch out the hair tie, you know it's completely covered by the yarn. Now from here, I'm just going to go ahead and slip stitch underneath where the stitch marker placement is. And from here, I'm going to chain up 3. And then for round 2, what we're going to do is we're going to double crochet 3 double crochets into each stitch, which I'm going to show you here. So again, just chain up 3. And then in that first stitch, we're going to go ahead and do 3 double crochets. and we're going to continue to do 3 double crochets all the way around in each stitch. And then at the end, again, we're going to slip stitch to the top of our first double crochet. Okay, so if you want, you can stop here. This is just a total of 2 rows so far, which is first row we did single crochets, and then we did our ruffles, which is 3 double crochets in each stitch. This is what the green one is. If you wanted to stop here, it's a more smaller, scrunchie slash wristband if you want. And then you can also do a jumbo, which this one is my jumbo option, where you can do 3 rows in total, which is 1 single crochet row with 3 double crochets in each stitch. And then this one is the jumbo with a single crochet row at the very end to add contrast, which again is just single crochets at the very end after you finish the 2 rows of double crochet, and you just do single crochets all the way around. Now I'm continuing because I'm going to make this one a jumbo, so I'm going to be doing 3 double crochets again in each stitch, just like we did in the previous row. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that here. And also just make sure that you do start off just like you did with the previous row with a chain up of 3. Again, you are repeating this all the way around the entire scrunchie, and then you're going to end it with a slip stitch at the very end, connecting it to the top of the double crochet at the beginning of this row. So again, it's 3 double crochets in each stitch around, all the way around till you get to the very end, and then end it with a slip stitch. I'm finishing up my last few double crochets here, and then as I mentioned previously, we're just going to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet of this round to end it off. And then from there you chain 1, you cut your working yarn and you fasten it off, and then you end it off with weaving in the ends with our tapestry needle, which I'm going to be showing you here shortly. All right, so here I'm just weaving in my ends with my tapestry needle. Now the mint and purple one that I had showed you guys earlier, if you guys are interested in seeing how I did that last row of the single crochet, if you need like a more information on that rather than me just describing what I did, I can definitely make a little short of me doing that part just so you guys get the picture of what you need to do. It's very simple. You just chain up one and then do single crochets all the way around on top of your ruffles to create that contrast. But I can definitely make a video if you guys are interested. Just let me know down in the comments. Now, what I like to do is just fix up the ruffles to make them look presentable and cute, whatever you want to do, but this is what I do. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. I plan to make a slouchy beanie for you guys, so if you're excited about that, let me know down in the comments. I appreciate you guys for watching along this far, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. God bless. Bye. See you guys next time.